Sometimes in the gym, while lifting weights, our hand can slip and fail the reps, which can cause pain and can also cause injury. So for that, while scrolling on the internet, I found this amazing gym gadget, anti-slip hand grip. This can solve all these problems and it is very easy to use. Okay, now let's first open this box. And here you can see anti-slip gym hand grip. And to use it, you just need to put this between your finger like this and like this. Now you are ready to go. Now your hands won't slip at any cost, not there will be any pain. You can lift weight, do pull-ups, bicep curl, and now you can push your limit without thinking of slippery hands. And while watching this video, you might have thought that instead of this, we can use straps, gym chalk or hooks. But the reason why it's better than those accessories is the price, durability and the longevity. Chalk doesn't last more than few months. If it's liquid, then it's expensive and doesn't last more than 1 month. Straps are good, but the durability is terrible. And the last one is the hook, which can cost more than your gym membership. But this is much cheaper, durable and can last more. So if you want to get delivery of this product at your doorstep, then I have given the link in the description. It's a well-known website and these all are from there. So you can click there and order it now.